3 minus 4 sine square A divided by 3 minus 4 sine square A gets cancelled. What is left over? That's equal to sine A, which is the required RHS. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. First write tan x minus y by 2 into cot x plus y by 2. What is the required answer? Tan x minus y by 2 into cot x plus y by 2 is the required answer. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics Revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss regarding the second part of the chapter, that is trigonometric functions. So today this is very important session. Let me discuss regarding the problems based on trigonometric functions for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So you may expect one 5 marks question from this concept and one 2 and one 3 marks question. Now straight away move to the 2 marker question. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So let us take the LHS first. Let me teach 2 methods. First method, in the first method, let us take LHS. LHS is equal to sin 2a. So sin 2a can also be written as 2 sin a into cos a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Now just multiply and divide by cos a. So if you multiply and divide by cos a, 2 sin a into cos a divided by cos a and multiply by cos a. What happens? This is equal to 2 times sin by cos. Let us take 1 sin a divided by cos a into cos a is cos square a. Now this is 2 times sin a by cos a is equal to tan a, and the reciprocal relation. What is the cos a? Cos a is also equal to 1 over secant a. So this is 1 over secant square a, right? So since you know the identities, 2 tan a divided by secant square a is also equal to 1 plus tan square a, which is a required RHS. That's it. So 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. See, just take sin 2a LHS. Sin 2a can also be written as 2 sin a into cos a. Just multiply and divide by cos a. So 2 sin a cos a into cos a divided by cos a. Sin by cos, cos into cos is cos square. Sin by cos is tan a. Cos square reciprocal is 1 by cos square is secant square, that is, or secant square is equal to 1 by cos square, or cos square is also equal to 1 by secant. So this becomes 1 over secant square a. Using identity, 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. So therefore, the secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square. So 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a, which is the required RHS. Or second method, in the second method, second method, take RHS. What is RHS? 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So 2 into tan a can be written as sin a divided by cos a divided by 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. So this is 2 sin a divided by cos a into, this is 1 by secant square. 1 over secant square is nothing but, let me write one more step, 1 over secant square a. This is 2 sin a divided by cos a into 1 over secant square is nothing but cos square a. Cancel the terms. One cos a and cos a gets cancelled. What is there in the numerator? 2 sin a into cos a. So this is nothing but 2 sin a cos a is nothing but sin 2a. Multiple angle of a. Sin 2a. So this is the required LHS. That's it. So you can take LHS and prove RHS, or you can take RHS and prove LHS. One and the same, right? Now move on to the next problem. Show that cos pi by 4 minus alpha minus of cos pi by 4 plus alpha is equal to root 2 sin alpha. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Take LHS. So what is LHS? LHS. This is LHS. Cos a minus b cos of pi by 4 minus alpha minus cos pi by 4 plus alpha. So cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B cos pi by 4 cos alpha plus sin A sin B sin pi by 4 into sin alpha minus cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right. Now substitute the values. So what is cos 45? 1 by root 2 into cos alpha. Sin 45 is also 1 by root 2 into sin alpha. Multiply by negative sign. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into cos alpha. Minus into minus plus. Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 into sin alpha. Now cancel the terms which gets cancels. Now, so here 1 by root 2 cos alpha plus and 1 by root 2 cos alpha minus gets cancelled. So what is left over? 1 by root 2 sin alpha plus 1 by root 2 sin alpha is 2 times 1 by root 2 sin alpha. Right. Root 2 can also be written as root 2 into this 1 over root 2 sin alpha. 1 root 2 gets cancelled. What is left over is root 2 into sin alpha, which is the required RHS. Root 2 sin alpha. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem for 2 marks. Right. Now, move on to the next problem. Prove that sin 3a divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2a is equal to sin a. This is also important for 3 marks. Now, very simple. Let us take LHS. What is LHS here? LHS sin 3a divided by 1 plus 2 cos 2a. Now, what is the answer we want to get? Sin. All terms are in terms of sin. Since you know the formula for sin 3a is also equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Right. Now, what is cos 2a in terms of sin? Cos 2a is equal to, there are two formulas, 1 minus 2 sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a, or another one 2 cos square a minus 1. Now, let us substitute here. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a divided by 1 plus 2 into cos 2a. For cos 2a, make use of this formula. That is 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now, just in the numerator, you can take the common factor. Sin a is the common factor. What is left over is 3 minus 4 into 1 sin is taken out. Then we have only 1 sin square a. In the denominator, 1 plus multiply 2. 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 2 into 2 is 4 sin square a. Now, this is equal to, numerator is same, sin a into 3 minus 4 sin square a divided by, in the denominator, 2 plus 1 is 3 minus 4 sin square a. Now, cancel the terms. So, these two gets cancelled. 3 minus 4 sin square a divided by 3 minus 4 sin square a gets cancelled. What is left over? That's equal to sin a, which is the required RHS. That's it. Sin a is the answer. Hope you followed. Just substitute the formula for sin 3a and cos 2a in terms of sin. Take the common factor, you will get the answer. Now, move on to the next problem. This is also an important problem. If tan a is equal to 5 by 6, tan b is equal to 1 by 11, show that a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Now, just we know this formula, tan a plus b is equal to, what is the formula for tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now, tan a, what is given? Tan a is equal to 5 by 6, tan b is equal to 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. Now, take LCM. In the numerator, 11 6 are 66 is LCM. Cross multiply. 5 into 11 is 55 plus 6 into 1 is 6 whole divided by, in the denominator also 66 LCM. 66 into 1 is 66 minus 5. These two gets cancelled. Now, what we have? Tan of a plus b is equal to 55 plus 6 is 61 divided by 66 minus 5 is 61. 61 divided by 61, that's equal to 1. So, tan of a plus b is equal to 1. So, that is nothing but tan pi by 4, since tan 45 is equal to 1. So, therefore, what do you say? A plus b is equal to pi by 4. which is the required answer. A plus B is equal to pi by 4 because tan 45 is 1. Right. So just use tan A plus B formula and simplify, you'll get the answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Fifth problem. Tan 45 plus A into tan 45 minus A is equal to 1. So let us take LHS. First LHS is tan of 45 plus A into tan of 45 minus A. So this is of the form tan A plus B into tan A minus B. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B, right, into this is tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Okay. Now substitute the values. Since what is tan 45? We know tan pi by 4, tan 45 is equal to 1. Since tan 45 is equal to 1, this can be written as 1 plus tan A whole divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan A as it is into, again tan 45 is 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 into tan A. So this can be written as 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 into tan A is tan A into 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus 1 into tan A is equal to tan A. Now 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan A, 1 minus, so everything gets cancelled. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That's it. Okay. So the required answer is 1, that is RHS. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Prove that sin x minus sin y divided by sin x plus sin y is equal to tan x minus y divided by 2 into cot x plus y by 2. Right. Now just this is of the form sin c minus sin d divided by sin c plus sin d. Now take LHS. What is LHS? Sin x minus sin y divided by sin x plus sin y. So the numerator is of the form sin c minus sin d, denominator is sin c plus sin. What is sin c minus sin d? Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2, x plus y by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled. If you observe carefully, cos x by sin x, cos by sin is cot x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 divided by cos x minus y by 2 is tan of x minus y by 2. Now put it in order. So just write first tan. So this is tan of x minus y by 2 into cot of x plus y by 2, which is a required RHS. See, first write tan x minus y by 2 into cot x plus y by 2. What is the required answer? Tan x minus y by 2 into cot x plus y by 2 is the required answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Prove that sin 75 plus cos 15 degree divided by sin 75 minus sin 15 degrees. So this can also be solved in two methods. So take LHS. LHS is cos 75 plus cos 15 degree divided by sin 75 minus sin 15 degree. So if you know the standard values, cos 75, cos 15, sin 75, sin 15, substitute and take LCM and simplify. Otherwise, you can use cos c plus cos d divided by sin c minus sin d. Now, numerator is of the form cos c plus cos d. So, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 is cos c plus cos d. Similarly, sin c minus sin d. What is the formula for sin c minus sin d? 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Now what is this equal to? This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to numerator cos 75 plus 15, 90 by 2, that is cos 45 into cos of 75 minus 15 is 60 divided by 2 is 30, cos 30 divided by, in the denominator 75 plus 15, 90 by 2 is 45, cos 45 degrees into sine of 30 degrees. 75 minus 50, 60 by 2 is 30. Cancel this. Cos 45 gets cancelled. Cos by sine is cot 30. What is cot 30? Cot 30 is nothing but root 3. That's all. This is the required RHS. The answer is root 3. That's it. Okay. Because sine 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, tan 30 1 by root 3, cot 30 root 3 by 1 is root 3. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. That is 5 marker question. This is very important. 5 marker question. Prove that cos 20, cos 40, cos 80 is equal to 1 by 8. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? Cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees and cos of 80 degrees. Right. Now let us make this to as one group. Now this is of the form cos A, cos B. Cos A, cos B. Just make use of cos A, cos B transformation formulas. So this is equal to of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right. Cos A, cos B is of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this is of into cos 20 plus 40 plus cos 20 minus 40 into cos 80 as it is. So I can write of cos 80 first into cos of 60 plus cos of minus 20. Since cos of minus 20 is also equal to plus cos 20 because cos of minus theta is also equal to cos theta. So this is of into cos 80, cos 60. So sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2 plus cos of 20 degree as it is. Now multiply it. Multiply by half cos 80. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 times cos 80 degrees. 1 over 4 cos 80 plus 1 over 2 cos 80 into this cos 20 as it is. Again use cos A, cos B. This is 1 by 4 cos 80 degrees as it is plus half into, again cos A, cos B is half of cos A plus B 80 plus 20 plus cos A minus B 80 minus 20. Now this is equal to 1 over 4 cos 80 as it is plus multiply this 1 over 4 into cos of 80 plus 20 is 100 degree plus cos 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 degrees. So 1 over 4 times cos 80 degrees plus 1 over 4 into cos 100 can also be written as cos of 180 minus 80. 180 minus 80 is 100 plus you know what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Again you know the formula for cos 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta comes in which quadrant? 0, 90, 180, 270 or 360. So it cos 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative. So cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So this becomes, so 1 over 4 times cos 80 again plus 1 over 4 times cos of 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, that is minus cos 80 plus 1 by 2. Now multiply this. If you multiply, what happens? This is 1 over 4 cos 80 as it is, 1 over 4 cos 80 again plus into minus minus 1 over 4 cos 80 degrees again plus into plus plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. Now cancel the terms. So plus 1 by 4 cos 80 minus 1 by 4 cos 80 gets cancelled. What is remaining? 1 over 8, which is the required RHS. That's it. So what is the answer? 1 by 8. Right. 1 over 8 is the required. Just make use of cos A cos B of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B and convert cos of 100 degree as cos 180 minus 80. You will get minus cos 80. 1 by 4 cos 80 plus and minus gets cancelled. So what is the answer you are going to get is 1 by 8. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. That's it. Hope you followed. Important problem for 5 marks. Now let us take one more 5 marks problem. Now very important problem. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 3x minus cos 5x minus cos x divided by sin 7x minus sin 3x minus sin 5x plus sin x. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? LHS, this is LHS. Okay, this is LHS. Now group this. Cos 7x plus cos 3x one group minus, you can take minus common factor, then this becomes cos 5x minus into minus plus cos x whole divided by denominator sin of 7x minus sin 3x as it is, and you can take minus out, then this becomes sin 5x minus sin x. Okay, now if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d. That's it. Cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 minus, again this is cos c plus cos d. C is 5x, d is x. Again same 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5x plus x by 2 into cos 5x minus x by 2 whole divided by, in the denominator, sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 minus, again this is sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d same 2 cos c plus d by 2 into 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay. Now after substituting the values in the formula, just simplify. So here this is 2 times cos 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5x into cos 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2x minus 2 cos 7 plus 1 is 6 by 2 is 3x into cos of 5 minus x is 4 divided by 2 is 2x divided by, in the denominator, 2 cos 7 plus 3 is 10 by 2 is 5x into sin of 7 minus 3 is 4 by 2 is 2x minus, this is 2 times cos 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2 is 3x into sin of 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2 is 2x. Now you can take the common factor. What is the common factor in the numerator? 2 times cos 2x. 2 cos 2x is taken out. What is left over is cos 5x minus cos 3x whole divided by, in the denominator, what is the common factor? 2 times sin 2x is the common factor. Sin 2x is out. What is left? Cos 5x minus cos 3x. Okay, now these two gets cancelled. Cos 5x minus cos 3x divided by cos 5x minus, and 2 and also gets cancelled. What is left over is cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Now what is cos by sin? Cos by sin is cot 2x. So the required answer is cot 2x, which is the required answer. So what is to prove? Cot 2x. That's it. The formulas which we are using in this problem is cos c plus cos d and sin c minus sin d. That's all. This is very important for a 5 marks. So this is a 5 marker question. Hope you followed. Okay. Now this is how we are going to solve a 5 marker question. Hope you followed. So these are few examples for 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks questions in this chapter. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.